He was small in stature, but mighty in vision. In a world shaken by revolution, one man dared to ask, "Can freedom survive without chaos?" The answer became the very soul of America, written not in swords but in ink. His name was James Madison, the father of the Constitution. After independence, America was fragile. 13 states, divided by laws, currencies, and rivalries. The dream of liberty risked collapsing into anarchy. Madison saw the danger. Without unity, the revolution would be lost. He knew what America needed: a stronger foundation, a blueprint that could hold freedom together. In 1787, Madison stepped into Philadelphia's Constitutional Convention. He was not the loudest voice, but he was the most relentless. Armed with knowledge of history, philosophy, and law, he became the architect of a bold new idea: a government of checks and balances. A system where no king could rise and no mob could rule unchecked. For 4 grueling months, debates raged. Should states have equal power? Should people directly elect leaders? Madison crafted compromises, bridging bitter divides. And when the dust settled, the Constitution was born. The world had never seen anything like it, yet the Constitution was only words on paper, until the people accepted it. Madison took up his pen again, joining Alexander Hamilton and John Jay to write the Federalist Papers. Essay after essay, he explained why this new government could protect liberty. His words turned skeptics into believers, carrying the Constitution from fragile parchment to living promise. But Madison wasn't finished. He knew liberty must be shielded from government itself. And so he authored the Bill of Rights, 10 amendments guaranteeing freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and more. Rights that would echo across centuries, inspiring nations far beyond America's shores. James Madison may not have led armies or worn a crown, but his weapon was wisdom. His battlefield was paper, and his victory was nothing less than the survival of American freedom. James Madison, the father of the Constitution, a true American hero,